Let's factorize the first expression 3x minus 12. This expression is made up of two terms 3x and negative 12. To factorize the whole expression, we need to factorize both the terms separately. So let's do that. These are the factors of both the terms 3 into x minus 3 into 4. Now let's search for the common factors. So 3 is the common factor. Let's take it out. When 3 is taken away from the first term, we get x left and negative 4 left from the second term. Let's see why these three steps are followed. Just imagine a rectangle having an area of 3x minus 12. So I separate the terms and write them as different areas 3x and negative 12. Now we will find the dimensions of this rectangle. Look at the area 3x. It's made up of one side 3 and the other side x. And look at that negative 12. One side is 3 and the other side is negative 4. Clearly see that 3 is the common side. So it is the common factor. Just have a look at the whole rectangle. The dimensions are 3 and x minus 4. So which are the factors of the expression? The next question coming up is 7x minus 42. Let's factorize the terms 7 into x minus 7 into 3 into 2. Clearly 7 is the common factor. So let's take it out. And what will be left inside? X minus 3 into 2, which can be written as 7 into x minus 6. Now let's make the rectangle and find out its dimensions. Split the area. Find the sides. Clearly the common side is 7. And the dimensions of the bigger rectangle are 7 and x minus 6. Here comes another problem. 7a square plus 14a. Let's factorize the terms. Which are the common factors? Let's take them out. So the factors are 7a and a plus 2. Let's draw our rectangle now. Split the areas. Find the dimensions. Let's look at the next problem, negative 16z plus 20z cube. So let's factorize the terms. So take care of the negative sign. So we factorize and get these factors. Let's find out the common factors and we would just shade them and take them out. Inside we are left with negative 2 into 2 plus 5 into z into z. So we can simplify this as 4z and inside we have minus 4 plus 5z square. So these are the two factors. So now let's make a diagram and see the rectangle of area negative 16z plus 20z cube, and we split the terms like we did in the beginning, the first step where we find out the factors. So now we write the common factor, which is 4z. The other factor is minus 4z plus 5z square. Now try this next question. Pause the video for some time and try to solve it. So here's the solution. Now try this problem. The solution is here. One more problem for you people to solve. and the solution.